If you are looking for a fun and easy way to track class progress as your students take the Math Dice Classroom Challenge, check out the Classroom Thermometer. Tracking progress as a class encourages students to work together as a team. An individual goal provides great motivation. Our thermometers offer versatile milestones that can be used to show when a percentage of the class has completed the challenge, or as a way to set mini goals as you make your way up the thermometer. To get your customized thermometer, go to our thermometer generator at mathdice.com/thermometers. Select the number of students that will be participating. Select the number of milestones that you would like. Select Generate, and your custom thermometer will be ready for you to print. Here's how it works. Hang the thermometer prominently on a wall and give your class regular updates. Each time a student completes a personal passport, mark it on the thermometer. Work together as a class to set a celebration once the class goal or milestone is reached. Your celebration could be starting a new challenge, having a Math Dice tournament, or having a Math Dice party in your classroom. For some healthy competition, divide your class into 2 teams and print a thermometer for each team. The team that fills the thermometer first becomes the champion for that challenge and gets to pick the class reward. Whatever you do, make it fun! Good luck, and happy rolling!